Alright, so this is going to be your tutorial video about how to make a Google site. So right now you can see my drive. I'm going to click a new tab and we are going to click this waffle icon, and that's going to bring me to a bunch of different icons. I'm going to find the sites one and click that. So that's going to give me to the Google site page, and I am going to want to hit blank. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account through Rochester Community Schools. That will help you in saving to your drive and all that. So this is a blank Google Sites page. So to your right of the screen, you have Insert Pages and Themes. To the left of your screen, you have your title name. So I'm going to actually enter my title page, my title name, and I'm going to say STEM class. And you can do your first name in STEM class, or you can do just STEM class. That's going to be my untitled, so I can find it in my Google Drive. So we are going to have within our Google Sites 3 more pages, and so you should have a total of 4 pages. So you're going to hit Pages. And so inside of that, you have a home page. That's the screen you're looking at right now. So we're going to add about 3 more pages. So in order to add a page, you're going to go down to your plus sign, and then you're going to click on the plus sign, and it's going to be new page. So one of your pages is going to be all about me. So that is a page about yourself. So I'm going to hit done when I'm done typing that. I'm going to add another page. So I'm going to go down and hit the plus button. And another page is STEM projects. So this is a page going to be all about your STEM projects. And then I'm going to add one final page, and that is called Final STEM Reflection page. Reflection. So you'll have 4 total pages, the home screen, all about me, STEM projects, and STEM reflection. So your blank screen should look something like that. You might have a different website name, something like this. And let's make sure you can see how the title is Final STEM Reflection. You can click on your pages and it'll go to that different page. I'm going to make sure I'm on the home page. And then I'm going to change my theme up. So you can play around with your theme. So I'm on the simple theme, so I ain't them but background changes. So you can play around. I'm a fan of impression. Let's do yellow, sounds cool. So you can play around with your themes and see which ones you like. So when you get this kind of settled, your page title, I want you to pay your home screen, make sure you're on your home screen. Your page title, just so we don't have this named your page title, I want you to name it STEM Home Page. Okay. If you want to do, if you're in STEM 7, you can do STEM 7 homepage, STEM 8 homepage, you can do that as well. So another thing you can do is you can add a logo if you want. So again, where I'm at is I'm at the top left under the title that I named it NAP STEM class. It says add logo. You can add a logo. So you can upload a logo if you want. So I'm going to hit upload. And that's from my desktop. So you can download a photo and upload one that you have. Let's do this pineapple one and see how that turns out. So I'm going to hit upload. And you can see that it, in the top left corner, it appears. And then if I don't like how that looks, I can trash it and hit upload again. And let's say I like this emoji. There you go. And I like that. I can use a color for the theme. That changes the color bar. Okay. So I'm gonna hit done because I'm done with that. So that is done. You can see that you've changed your upload. You can do your header type, so you can only have your title if you want just your title. You can have your title and your banner. Your banner is the outside, the background, so you can see this black, kind of like the North and South America, the world map behind it. You can say it's larger, so that larger is the banner. You can just make it a cover screen as well. So you kind of want, if you want to keep your banner, you can keep your banner, or you can just do title only. I want you to stay within the banner and the title only one. If you want to change your banner, you can hit change image, and so you can select image from searching, or you can do one from your gallery. So if I want, let's say I like the purple, so I'm going to select it, and it changes that for me as well, if you like that. If you want to change it to something else, you can do select image, and you can change it to something else. Let's see how that color, my favorite color is purple, so that's why I'm kind of going with the purple theme. So that's the banner. Again, if you want a no banner, you can just do title only. If you want banner, there's banner. And you notice that it went back to black. So if I want to keep it, I want to change image. I'm going to go back to that purple that I had. I'm going to select and change it. I'm also going to hit publish so it saves. And so it's been saved, so it should stay like with that banner background as well. So on your home page, I want you to have some information with your home page. So in order to write text on your home page, you can either hit insert on your right part of your screen, and you can do text box, or if you double click on anywhere in your screen, it'll have this circle with all these icons, and so you can upload something from your drive by hitting the drive button. You can embed, insert images, upload. The TT with the blue is a text box, so you can upload a text box. And what you're going to design your home page to be is you are going to design it with just an introduction about what STEM is, and then what your web page will be about, and then make sure you have a logo, so you can see and edit my logo. I have a logo right there. And then one other feature that is information about STEM. So in order to do that, again, you can either go to insert, or you can double click. So if I find a video on the web, I can enter the URL and insert that. Just play around with it, have some fun. But this is how your Google Sites should look. Again, you should have the 4 pages, the home, all about me, STEM projects, final STEM reflection. You can play around with the themes. Make sure you have a logo. It doesn't have to be a picture of yourself. Again, if I want to edit logo, I'm going to delete the one I have, and I can upload one that I want. Let's say the turtle. There you go. And then I'm done with that. And then I could upload the background of the header, and then fill out these information about your home page. And then that's it. So feel free to rewatch the video. Let me know if you have any questions. That is your Google site.